Today we'll be reviewing how to install mods within NeonLite. All relevant GitHub links along with a written outline will be linked in the description below. We'll be utilizing NeonLite in this example, but the initial steps outlined in the video are ubiquitous and will need to be taken in order for mods to work in our game. Once these initial steps are complete, we'll be able to use any mods within the community unless further instructions are given per the mod developer. A quick overview of what we're downloading today. MelonLoader is a universal mod loader for games built using the Unity engine. Melon Preferences Manager is an in-game user interface that allows us to change the settings of our mods loaded by MelonLoader. UniverseLib is a library for making plugins for Unity games. We'll start by heading to the GitHub repo for MelonLoader. We'll click on melonloader.Installer.exe to initiate a download of the file. Step 2. Run the melonloader.Installer.exe file that we just downloaded. MelonLoader should pop up and load all Unity-based games it can find within your Steam library. If your games are installed elsewhere or do not appear on this list, you can select Add Game manually on the bottom right. Step 3. Click on NeonLite in MelonLoader. This will bring up the version select screen. Step 4. This step is extremely important, and I cannot emphasize this enough. We want to select version 0.6.1 and click Install. Version 0.6.1 is the only version of MelonLoader that mod developers and mod testers utilize, and using any other version can have unexpected effects and cause major issues. We should get a success screen once the install has been completed. Step 5. We can now close the MelonLoader installer and open Steam to start NeonLite. This will create the required subfolders within our installation directory. We can skip the opening cutscene and quit out of the game once we get to the main menu. Step 6. We'll right-click NeonLite within our Steam library, hover over Manage, and click Browse Local Files. We'll keep this Explorer window open. Step 7. Head to the GitHub repo for Melon Preferences Manager and download melonprefmanager.mono.dll. Move this file to our mods folder within the NeonLite directory we just opened. Step 8. Head to the GitHub repo for UniverseLib and download universelib.mono.zip. Unzip the folder, click into the unzipped folder, and find universelib.mono.dll, and this time move it into the user libs folder within the NeonLite directory. Step 9. Head to the GitHub repo for NeonLite. We'll click on neonlite.dll to initiate a download, then move the file into the mods folder as outlined before. That's it. NeonLite is now installed. We can now press F5 when NeonLite is open to open our Mod Preferences Manager. If you want the MelonLoader console to be hidden while we boot the game, you can right-click NeonLite in Steam, click Properties, and enter the following text into the Launch Options text box. That's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below or reach out in the NeonLite speedrunning community Discord. I'll have that linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.